Hey friends, today I am going to tell you how you can add product catalog using WordPress plugin. So I have a WordPress website where I have to add my company's product catalogs. So for this I need to just install a plugin. This is a plugin which I found, TC product plugin, and I will share this plugin's link below in the description. So you just need to search and add this plugin in your WordPress website. Just log into the WordPress site using the credential and just find TC product catalog. So this plugin I have already installed and activated, so it's showing active. You need to just install it and activate it. After doing it, this section will come up, TC products. Here you need to concentrate on. Here you can see all your products, add new product, product catalogs, product category, help and upgrade. So as of now I have a free account and I am using it. I'll just go to all products and show you which all products I have already added. So these are the products: a Dell laptop, Samsung Galaxy S10, Samsung Galaxy X10, iPhone 10, iPhone 11, and I will add any other new product and show you how to do it. So here, from here you can click on add new product. Just click on it. I will add Samsung phone. Just type in Samsung. You can type any model number. Okay, so you can type a description. And here you can just create. If you have not created any catalog, you just need to create here. Type in the catalog and just click on add new. As I have already created these things, you can see I will select smartphone from here, and here also I have created it. Otherwise you can just click here and type in and add, click on add new category. Otherwise I already created it. I will select the Samsung, my product category, and in product image I will add the image. I will find the image from my desktop where I have downloaded it. You can also do the process easily. Add product image. So image is added. Herein you need to add product price. For example, I write anything like $299, and in regular price I'll write $250, and in sale price I like $230. So this is the price section, and everything is done. I just need to click on publish. So is Samsung Galaxy S1. So I will go here in all products. So this is a new product catalog which I have created. You can see regular price, sale price, product catalog, product category, author is admin, and date of publishing. I have just created 1 minute ago, so it's showing like that. So now I have to publish my all these products on my web page. So how I will do it? I will create a new web page. I will click on add new. I will type in product catalogs, and herein I need to add a code. So again I go to the link of the WordPress plugin page. Here there are two codes like show all products and show product of a specific catalog. And so I will show you first how to add all products. So I will copy this. I'll just paste it in my notepad so that it will not create any coding problem. So I will click here on text and I just paste it and click on publish. That's it. You just need to paste the code and just click on publish. That's it. And I will just view this new page. So herein you can see my all products. This is phone, this is laptop, this is the phones. So herein all are visible. So there is another option where I can show a specific catalog. For this I just copy this code from here only, but herein I need to find out this section. Here I will click here. I will click here and see this product catalogs are these smartphones and laptops. So I can show laptop or I can show smartphone. So I'll just show you smartphone for just an example. So laptop will be removed. I'll again go to my page. This is a product catalogs. I will go to text. I will just paste that code which I have taken from this page. Just paste that code and I will just type in a smartphone first. This I need to remove this thing, product slug, and I just need to paste smartphone and click on publish update. So here in this page one laptop was also showing. When I will refresh this page now, laptop will get removed, only smartphones are now showing. I can do it vice versa as well. From here I can select laptop as product catalog and I will just paste it here after removing smartphone and just update the page. Then only laptop will be shown on the site. I'll just refresh this page and you can see now only laptop is showing, nothing else. So you can make changes according to your wish, and this is a very useful plugin for those who just want to show their company's products easily using a plugin. So this is a very good WordPress plugin which you can use, and in case you face any problem, just comment below and I will try my best to resolve your issue. In case you like my video, just subscribe my channel and follow me so that I can help you further with other videos. Thank you friends, bye bye and take care.